What's up guys? In today's IceBurghs video, we are going to be installing Dixon's new front lip on his M2 competition. What type of front lip is it?
It's a RKP.
What's the brand?
RKP.
Oh. So, what's the first step, Joe, of all these IceBurg videos?
Set something on fire.
Close, close.
Move the truck.
Move the truck! Alright, so we're gonna open the garage door and we're gonna pull the truck out. By the way guys, we're gonna be running a sale on the OG pink shirts and the OG Edition 1 hoodies. Make sure to pick them up, pick yours up today. Limited stock, so they're gonna go quickly. Make sure to get yours. So let's see it. Let's see the lip.
There it is.
That's some carbon fiber right there.
You see the bottom?
Oh yeah.
It's rubber. Sick. We jack up the car first, and then line it up. See where the bolts go. I need to peel just the edge, like this, so that we can see it. And then once we line up perfectly, well, we gotta clean the bottom first. Once we line up perfectly, I'm just gonna like pull the top, and it just goes back. It just stays there.
Huh? All right.
We'll see.
We'll see.
There's no specific instruction now. Here.
Oh, that is gonna be so low.
I told you.
Slam it on that side, and then
Figure things out.
yeah, exactly.
You sure that's where it should go?
Yes. It goes like this, bottom.
Right.
If it's going to stick.
Yeah.
So right now we're taking the bolts out to mount the lip somewhat up so we can get it in position, remove the tape, and then that will get the exact position and then tighten the bolts. That's basically it. So right now we're using a 5/16 and removing the screws that go right in these holes. And then we have bolts over here. These two go here. The two long screws that were included with the wing go up front, and then we put this plate on with the smaller screws. That's basically it. And falls off.
I'm gonna hold it so you
I'll put in the screws.
put all the one. I'm gonna go like this.
Okay.
Yeah. So make sure you align yours very carefully. It starts to peel.
Oh, that's because it's a separate piece. So you want me to get it?
It's not a lot. This is good.
Well, what do you think about the look? Now that
I
you're
need to
seeing
see
it.
the finished product.
Yeah.
And when it sits on the ground, I need to see that.
Would you like some spray?
No, okay.
All right. Well, no bolts left.
I'll be fine.
It's holding up so far.
Ready?